It's not hot. It's cold.
Yeah,
uh-oh,
Asher doesn't
Asher.
want to get a diaper on.
Asher needs a diaper. He's saying no. Oh man. Oh man. Will Anya get a diaper on? I hope so. You need a diaper and pajamas. Oh, good bite. More, please. Okay. Give me that fork. Give me that fork. Ah, I got it. Yes, I'll give you more. My goodness, Anya Claire.
You're eating all Daddy's potato, huh?
This is the third baked potato on my plate, but I have not eaten 3 baked potatoes.
Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
No.
More, please.
Nothing.
Okay, finish what's in your mouth. Show me when your mouth is empty, and then you can have more.
Did she eat the one that was in her dish, too?
Yes!
Wow.
She's eaten an incredible amount of baked potato.
I'm on my pop.
Hello, Maury and Pop.
Hello, Anya. Can you blow a kiss?
Maury and Pop. Mwah. Oh, very nice.
You're enjoying being by yourself for a little while, huh?
No, I be uncle.
Auntie and Uncle? Yeah, no Auntie and Uncle, huh? They're not here today.
Mama, Dada.
Mom and Dad are here. Yup. And Maury.
Yeah.
And Asher.
Yeah.
And Anya. And Cal?
Yeah.
Is Cal here?
No.
No. Is Khaleesi here?
Yeah.
Is Khaleesi here?
Yeah.
She is?
Yeah.
Where is Khaleesi?
Car.
With Cal. Oh.
Not at Pop and Maury's house.
She's at our house, huh? She's at Anya and Asher and Mommy and Daddy's house. You're gonna have water? Are you all done? Ah, good water.
Bubble.
Oh, I forgot it's bubbles. I thought it was water. My mistake. Is it good bubbles? It's pomegranate bubbles.
Papa.
Pomegranate. And that's a hard one.